In this video, we are going to design this post for our social media platform. So hey guys, my name is Abdul Ahad. In this video, we are going to design this post, or we can see banner. So you have started learn Photoshop. So just follow this video and you will get this banner to yourself. And also you can download my all this image free plus my PSD file, also linked in description below. But before that, you have to subscribe this channel. Also like this video for support. So let's this start. Go to file, click on the new. Now give here the name social media post design. Weight 2000, height 2000 and resolution 300. Color mode RGB. Then click on this create button. Go to file, click on place embedded and select texture background and then place. Resizing the texture background. Lock the two layer. Go to select rectangular. Draw a shape. Choose any color. Ctrl T, transform. Select ellipse tool. Now draw a circle. Choose any color. Now select direct selection tool. Select the circle. Resizing the circle. Following my process. Then click on file, click on place embedded, select choose and place. Go to select, click subject. Add a layer marks. For remove background, right click and rasterize layer and again right click, apply the layer marks. Take a eraser tool. Following my process. Press Ctrl T, adjust size and position. Now choose the type tool and write your text. Following my process. Typing the new shoes. This is the font I am using. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Typing the collection. This is the font I am using. Go to FX panel and choose stock black. Reduce the fill to 0%. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Following my process. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Typing the $15. Press Ctrl T, adjust size and position. Go to FX panel. Following this setting. following this setting. Now choose a brush tool, add a new layer, drag this layer under this image layer. Create a shadow. Press Ctrl T, adjust size and position. Following this setting. Change blend mode normal to multiply. Reduce opacity. Go to select rectangular. Draw a rectangular shape and following process. Again choose the type tool and write the text. Following that process. Press Ctrl T, adjust size and position. Press Ctrl T, adjust size and position. That's hope you like it. Thank you very much for this watching.